Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video about US dollar index. I got several emails, so let me just make it quickly because we have a couple of red news coming in. So I want to make it before that. So let me see if I can. Yes, so this is the calendar, economic calendar, and earlier we had pound news, pound red news, right, in the London session, and pound got stronger, and then pound Aussie, pound yen, they all went up. Now the USD time, right? So 8:30 a.m. USD, we have CPI, and this is what's happening. Previous 0.3, expecting 0.3, and let's see what happens, what comes out, right? So previous 0.3, expecting 0.2, and from previous CPI year to year, previous 3.9, expecting way less, 2.9. Yeah, from 3.4 to 2.9. So if that happens, then USD, it's going to be something bad probably. And then if that happens, USD will get weaker. So let me show you a few old charts. This is the chart that, starting from January 2023. I'm going to skip a lot of charts in between, go a little faster. So this is from here, the target was this 1753 as wave 2 OB. We got there after a while, right? And then in October, I made the chart that, okay, from here now, we're going to be coming down here first, 1026 and maybe 0698, right? These are the targets. These were the targets. So we came down here from right there, straight down to right there. So I said, well, I made this chart when we were just above 0698. So I said, okay, somewhere there, we're going to make the turn and go to 1390, right? So look what happened here. We came down, we touched that 0698. In fact, we went down a little bit more to this 0635, 0605. And then we start to go, and this is where we were at February 2nd. And currently, this is where we are now. I made this chart, and these analysis on Saturday when the market was closed. So I said somewhere here, because we were very close to 1390. 1390 is this. Let's see the fib from top to bottom here. So 61% is 1403. And then this fib from top to bottom, bottom to top, first pullback is 78, then this will be 38, and this is the recipe for a butterfly pattern. Means that if we make the turn, we might be going all the way down to 127 to make this butterfly pattern. That happens a lot, in this butterfly pattern. You will see everywhere, I just saw one that I missed in pound Aussie, 20-minute chart, and it went up like more than 100 pip last night. So what the heck? But the perfect calculation, 78 to 38 to 127. And then, boom, it goes back up again, right? So this is the area, 1390. Okay, now, the smaller time frame, let me show you something else that after this, I also had the 40-minute chart, making this chart I made on the 2nd, that from here, we're going to go to 1301 and then 1390. So what happened to this chart so far? Where we are now, currently, my 40-minute chart is like this. So we bounced from here, we went up there, 1301, we start wobbling around this. One more little push, and we will hit 1390. Or maybe if the news is bad, we're going to drop from 1301 straight down. All right, so this is the area. 1301 is the key number for now, for today, this morning. And if we go to the upside, what will happen? This will happen. These 4 pair will go down. These 3 pair will go up, right? Because if this index going up means USD is getting strong. If the if anything is the bad news, this thing is going to drop. Index is going to drop, and then USD going to get weaker, and then opposite of this will happen. If USD gonna getting weaker, this USD CAD, USD yen, and USD franc will go down, and your USD, pound USD, Aussie USD, and USD will go up. Right. So be ready for this. Whatever happens, 8:30. Right now it's 7:53, so we have 30 more minutes. Hopefully, in the next 10 minutes, I will upload the video and send out. So this is it, right? So be ready. I'll be ready. I missed last night because I was sleeping a little bit, so that happens, right? Got very tired, and then right before the pound news, I went to sleep. All right, so this is how it is. This is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful rest of the week, trading week. And please don't forget to subscribe the channel, the YouTube channel, so that you can get my videos with the setups and all of that as soon as I upload them. So you can take advantage of the setups, right? All right. So bye for now and talk to you guys later.